see this lost sheep away from its flock. So I thought, oh, go and have a look, see if it's some company. I'll go over a little bit closer. It notices me, but maybe it's more interested in hanging out with the rest of its crew. So it's looking for where it can hang out with the flock. Come around a little bit closer, and there's all the crew hanging out there, wondering why are you on one side of the fence and I'm on the other side of the fence. Doesn't look like I had a haircut either, and everyone else has had a haircut, so what's going on there? I'm feeling like maybe if I was a little bit more in tune with everyone was physically located, then happy days. So thought I'd come and say hello, see if the sheep wanted to go back in. Wasn't very sure what it wanted to do. Obviously I'm making a bit of noise and it doesn't know if it should be looking at me or looking at its friends. Maybe I'll go under here. No. Really want to hang out with my friends. Can you help me? Hey you, can you help me? Just flying around there, is there something useful you can do over there, maybe? I'll go for it. Maybe a bit further along here, I'll find something I can, maybe I'll go through the gate. There's a big hole under here. If I could just get my buff head under there, then it would be okay. No, I will have another think. Maybe if I get under here, that will be better. Nope, not going to happen. Go for a run instead. Only someone would open up the gate. And maybe I could go through the gate. It's a bit of a windy day. Oh, here's somebody. Gate opener. The gate open, gate's open, excellent. All lined up. Gate open. All I need to do is go through the gate and then I can hang out with my friends. Windy day. Where are we? Oh, we over here a bit longer. Going the wrong way. Let's see if we can find a little bit of enthusiasm for heading back to the gate. Where are we? Behind me? Is there? No, in front of me. Where am I? Somewhere over near the fence. Not too close to the fence there underneath the barbed wire, but just close enough so that I can block your way. There we go, Mr. Sheep. I will not be held. I want my freedom.